Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 23rd, 2012. Well, if we look at the daily chart, we'll start with the daily chart. Very strong day today. We opened up this morning. We had a tail at the bottom, and then we rallied from there. I've talked about this. What is resistance becomes support. So we had difficulty for 3 days back in February getting through this 1352 level, 1350 to 1352. So we got right to that level, and then we bounced hard. I still think we get to my initial target of 1372.75, 1373, and I think we climb for the rest of the year to the 1440 level. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. This morning we opened up at, if I can find it, we opened up at 1354.75. Like I talked about, we had seller pressure this morning, 3 bear bars in a row, huge selling pressure. Then we got 2 tails down here. A very aggressive buy would have been the close of this bar. Right on that 1352. I flagged this level yesterday. I've been flagging these levels very well. I like to be buyer on dips versus seller on rallies. The VIX going down, and the VIX was down another 8% today, under $17, indicates to me that the market's going to go higher. There's no fear in this market right now. So this would have been an aggressive long right here. You could take it a long on the close of this bar. 1353.75, it would have had you in all day for about 9 points. Another one I flagged it. I look at the cloud a lot. We had a breakout of the cloud right here. Could have bought the close of this bar, which would have been 1357.75. It would have you on all day for about 4.5 points. If you bought the close of this one, you put your stop below the cloud and never went to the cloud. The cloud is moving averages with an intraday moving average. So this is how it's used. Then starting at about 10 o'clock, we had a very, very tight range. You've seen a lot of these tight ranges. Between 10 o'clock and the rest of the day, we actually had about a 5-point range. So a lot of movement this morning. Then we saw some buyers here. And then all day, a lot of neutral paper. Closed on the high of the day. Many earnings after the bell. We see Deckers getting slammed to $80. Monster Beverage getting slammed. We also see CRM, which is the cloud space, higher, as well as Gap looks a little bit unchanged. So lots of earnings today. That's your recap. If you want all the key levels, resistance, support, Fibonacci levels, you have to go KeenOnTheMarket.com. We have these. We post them all for you in ladder format. Makes it really easy. Key levels I'll be looking at tomorrow. The red line, which is the point of control, and the blue line, which is the pivot. Also today's low. So the low of today was 1350.25. That's always a key number for tomorrow. The high, 1362.75. So those are going to be key levels. We also have my target at 1372.75. which is up here. Also, we've talked about it, buying pressure at 1343, 1333. If we go to the monthly chart to see where my final target is, it is right there, 1441, the high of May 2008. So that's my ideal target for the end of the year. We have to get through the 1375 strong, and then people like round numbers. So we have to get through 1400 very, very strong. Volume has been lighter, less trading out there. But there's always trades to be made during the day. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night. And remember, I can't tell you how to trade your money. I only say how I trade mine.